Small apartments need smarter solutions. Today, we're checking out some of the best Amazon home finds designed to make small spaces more organized, functional, and comfortable. From clever storage ideas and space-saving laundry products to useful everyday upgrades, these finds can help you make the most of every inch of your home. If you love discovering smart home products, subscribe to Home Finds USA, hit like, and let's get started. All product links are in the description below.
Number 1. Keep your space clean and stylish with the ELPHECO automatic motion sensor trash can. Its sleek, slim design with a modern finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Equipped with smart sensor technology, the lid automatically opens when your hands are detected and closes after a few seconds when there's no movement. With its compact capacity, it's perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and home offices. The water-resistant design is easy to clean, while the removable liner helps keep trash bags secure and out of sight. It's a simple, modern, and space-saving solution for everyday cleanup. Number 2. Keep your space organized and clutter-free with the Home So suction cup hooks. These simple no-drill hooks are an easy way to add extra storage without damaging your walls. They're perfect for hanging towels, loofahs, kitchen tools, cleaning supplies, and other everyday essentials. Their compact design works especially well in bathrooms, kitchens, and other small spaces. It's a simple and convenient solution for keeping your everyday items neat, organized, and within easy reach. Number 3 is the toothbrush holder with toothpaste dispenser, a handy bathroom upgrade that helps keep your daily essentials in one place. The wall-mounted design keeps toothbrushes off the counter, while the built-in toothpaste dispenser makes getting toothpaste quick and mess-free. It's a simple way to free up counter space, keep your bathroom looking tidy, and make your morning and nighttime routine a little easier. Number 4 is the MOJOCO portable clothes dryer, a compact laundry helper designed for homes where space is limited. Instead of taking up room with a full-size dryer, this portable option can be used for smaller loads and everyday clothing. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into an apartment, bedroom, or laundry area. If you're short on space and want a convenient way to handle smaller laundry loads, this could be a useful addition to your home. Number 5. Make laundry day easier with the HAIXIN Home Rolling Laundry Hamper. Its spacious design gives you plenty of room to collect dirty clothes, while the built-in wheels make it easy to move the hamper from your bedroom or bathroom to the laundry area. The sturdy design keeps your laundry contained and helps prevent clothes from piling up around the room. It's a convenient, space-saving solution for keeping your home clean, organized, and clutter-free. Number 6. Say goodbye to bulky drying solutions and hello to the LIENAHU adjustable tripod drying rack. Designed for compact spaces, this rack gives you plenty of room to air dry clothes without taking up too much space. Its sturdy tripod design provides reliable support, while the adjustable height lets you customize it for everything from smaller garments to larger items like sheets and towels. Need more drying space? Simply expand the arms to fit your laundry. It's a practical and flexible solution for making laundry day easier, especially in smaller homes and apartments. Number 7. Small messes don't always need a full-size vacuum. The TRZLIFE Mini Desk Vacuum Cleaner is designed for quick cleanups around your desk and other small areas. Its compact design makes it easy to pick up crumbs, dust, eraser shavings, and small debris from desks, keyboards, countertops, and tight spaces. Just grab it when you need a quick cleanup and put it away when you're done. It's a convenient little tool that helps keep your workspace clean and organized with minimal effort. Number 8. Maximize your space with this 2-tier tall narrow storage cabinet designed for tight corners and small spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms. Its foldable, tool-free design makes setup quick and easy, while the 2 storage levels give you plenty of room for everyday essentials. The adjustable shelves can accommodate everything from tall toiletries to larger household items. The doors keep your belongings neatly stored, while the transparent panels make it easier to see what's inside. It's a practical, space-saving solution for keeping small areas organized and clutter-free. Next, comfort can change everything when you're working or relaxing for hours. This reading pillow with an integrated wooden lap desk gives you comfortable back and arm support while keeping your laptop, tablet, book, or notebook steady in front of you. The built-in side pockets keep small essentials within easy reach, while the supportive design works well on beds, sofas, or even the floor. Whether you're catching up on work, reading, studying, or simply relaxing, it creates a comfortable little setup without needing a full desk or chair. Next, a simple bathroom upgrade can make your daily routine feel a little more organized. This small bathroom soap dispenser with pump gives you an easy way to keep hand soap neatly stored and ready to use. Its compact size works well on smaller bathroom counters, sinks, or other tight spaces without taking up much room. The pump makes dispensing quick and convenient, while the clean design helps keep your sink area looking neat and clutter-free. For just $6, it's an easy little upgrade for any bathroom. Next, turn unused door space into useful storage with the JARLINK over-the-door organizer. Its multiple storage pockets give you an easy place to organize toiletries, accessories, cleaning supplies, snacks, or other everyday essentials. The over-the-door design adds storage without taking up valuable floor space, making it especially useful for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and small apartments. It's a simple way to keep frequently used items visible, accessible, and neatly organized. Next, make the most of those unused corners with the BUMODEL 4-tier tall narrow bathroom storage cabinet. Its slim vertical design gives you multiple levels of storage without taking up much floor space. You can use it to organize toiletries, towels, cleaning supplies, and other bathroom essentials while keeping everything neatly tucked away. The tall design makes better use of vertical space, making it a great choice for smaller bathrooms where storage is limited. It's a stylish and practical way to keep your bathroom organized without adding unnecessary clutter. Next, give your hats a proper place with the Vtopmart 2-pack hat organizer. Instead of stacking hats in a drawer or leaving them scattered around your room, this organizer keeps them neatly arranged and easy to access. The vertical design helps make better use of your available space while keeping your hats visible and organized. It's a simple solution for reducing closet clutter and keeping your favorite hats in great shape. Next, make your closet easier to organize with this legging organizer. Its space-saving design lets you keep multiple pairs of leggings neatly together instead of stacking them in drawers or taking up extra shelf space. It keeps your leggings visible, easy to grab, and neatly arranged, making it easier to find the pair you want. It's a simple and affordable way to maximize closet space while keeping your everyday clothes organized. Next, make laundry day easier with the Sakugi foldable 2-level clothes drying rack. Its 2-level design gives you extra room to air dry clothes, towels, and other laundry without taking up unnecessary space. The foldable design makes it convenient to set up when needed and store away when you're finished. It's a practical choice for apartments, small laundry rooms, or anyone who wants more drying space without a bulky permanent setup. Want your clothes to look neat without spending forever folding them? This shirt folding board makes it easier to fold t-shirts and other clothing into consistent, tidy shapes. Just place the shirt on the board, follow the folding panels, and you can create evenly folded clothes in seconds. It's a simple tool for keeping drawers and closets organized while making laundry day a little faster. Next, make better use of your closet space with the LeArex clothes storage bins. These storage bins are designed to keep clothes, blankets, bedding, and other household items neatly contained and protected. Their structured design helps the bins hold their shape, while the storage space keeps your belongings organized and easy to access. They're a practical solution for reducing closet clutter and making better use of shelves, closets, or underbed storage areas. Number 18. Keep your everyday items neatly organized with this set of 2 flat woven wicker storage bins. Their flat rectangular design makes them great for storing folded clothes, towels, scarves, accessories, small linens, and other household essentials. They can be placed on shelves or inside closets to keep smaller items neatly contained and easy to find. The woven design adds a warm, natural touch while helping keep your space looking clean and organized. Keep your shoes organized and your closet clutter-free with this compact bamboo shoe rack. Its space-saving design gives you a dedicated spot for your footwear while making it easier to grab the pair you need. The natural bamboo finish also adds a clean, stylish touch to your space. A simple $16 storage upgrade for closets, entryways, bedrooms, or small apartments. Number 20. DeVay's wood file cabinet with storage. $94. Keep your workspace organized with this versatile wood file cabinet. It provides convenient storage for documents, office supplies, folders, and everyday essentials, helping keep your desk clear and clutter-free. Its compact design makes it a practical addition to a home office, while the wood finish adds a clean, polished look to your workspace. A smart storage upgrade for keeping everything organized and within easy reach. Number 21. 10 drawers rolling cart with wooden tabletop. $89. Need extra storage without taking up a lot of space? This rolling cart features 10 spacious drawers for clothes, craft supplies, beauty products, office essentials, and more. The wooden tabletop also gives you extra space for everyday items. With its easy rolling wheels, you can move it wherever you need it, making it a practical choice for bedrooms, offices, bathrooms, or craft rooms. If you enjoyed this Amazon find, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home products.